Mm. Hey guys, it's Avocado Muzimba, and today we're back here with another live stream. I'm not sure how to make you a mod on this. I don't think I can. I don't know how to make you mod. I can't.
Let's do it. Knocked loose. That's a turnover. It goes the other way.
Y'all didn't even wish me a happy birthday. Y'all trying to force me to come outside. Why?
Runner's good there. Kevin Durant.
Why should I come outside?
Giving it to you any way you want it. On the block, from the perimeter, mouse in the house, whatever the scenario is, Kevin Durant has an answer. Kevin Durant snatching it out of the air. Continuous effort is the key for your team's success. No one this entire ball game has quit on a play. That right there.
Yo, why should I come outside?
Win this game. Knocked loose. Harden against Harden. Leonard misfires. It's no good. LeBron into the front.
Man, what is this?
Trailed by 2. Harden. Textbook defense. Great contest by the D, but I want to see the coaching staff call the same exact play the next possession. Get that offensive player the ball. Let him prove that it wasn't the D. It was more in his own head. Kevin Durant.
Hello and welcome to my live stream.
4-3. Smothering D. To James. Lets it fly from beyond the arc. His first effort off the mark. Knocked loose. It's a turnover as they head the other way. Durant. Tough shot. He hits. I don't know how he saw his
Please
man
comment
out
in the live chat so I can know who you
That
are.
was nice. To Harden. Lets it fly from long range. Made his first effort, but not that time. Irving. Shot there.
What are you doing with your life?
Irving with the basketball. Down just a couple. Hauled in by James. Knocked loose. That's a turnover. It goes the other way. It's a turnover as they head the other way. And that'll be out of bounds.
What?
Last touch by Durant. No turnover as possession stays where it was. Time to shuffle things up. And that's going to get out of bounds off of Harden.
Take care of the ball.
James knocks it down. Defender has to get there next time.
But it was how he created the shot. As a defender, there's a tendency to stand up when you stare at the ball. Offensive player recognized that, continuously moved without the ball. Bang, that's how he set it up.
What? Yeah, why were you watching Jeffy again?
With the rock. Going along beyond the arc. Made his first effort, but not that
No.
Shooters shoot. Period. I don't want to hear any excuses. That's why you're on the floor. You keep doing what you're doing with that
Hey,
superior
it's only watching Jeffy.
It's a 5-second violation.
That is in the charger for
LeBron James swats in. Calls out of bounds. Last touch by LeBron James. Harden. James Harden. He's 3 of 5. 60% shooting from the field.
The challenge defending a guy who can be a 1 or a 2.
We're not old men talking about this game. We don't define players by positions anymore. Is he a 1 or is he a 2? No, he's James Harden. He is a scorer and an elite passer.
It's James controlling the offense. Count the basket at the rim.